What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, I need to talk to you guys about an opportunity, right? Opportunities like this come along a lot more than you think, but many people don't actually see it as that, right? They see it as like a downfall or something happening that's majorly negative and all that stuff there. But we have an opportunity right now as you see different positions, maybe at lower levels than what you expected in the crypto market, that creates a huge amount of what that was, right? Opportunity. And seeing where things are, this is your chance, your last chance, in my opinion, to create generational wealth. And I'm going to give you like 5 options that we can go through and we can look at and say, whether they are going to increase or decrease or be worthwhile for the future. But before we get started in this, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you can check out any of the links that are down below, it does help out the channel. If you want to check out my link for BTCC, that link is down there as well. If you use my link, you'll get a 10% deposit bonus. You can get extra bonuses up to $10,055, and you can enjoy up to 40% lower trading fees. So definitely give that a look if you guys are interested. It honestly is a very good platform. Also, if you want to check out video sponsor iTrustCapital, definitely do that. They offer the ability to have a traditional IRA or a Roth IRA. Both will allow you to have taxes either deferred or completely eliminated. And let's face it, right? We're going to make a lot of money when it comes to cryptocurrency, especially in top cryptocurrencies that are there. You can would love to save in taxes for sure. And these two offer the ability to either defer them, meaning you can make money off taxes short term and then pay your taxes later on when you withdraw, as well as being able to eliminate them entirely with a Roth IRA, depending if you qualify. So definitely go ahead and check it out. Link to iTrustCapital is down below. I have an account. I have over $1,000 in there at the moment, and it's going to be great as we move along. It may be having its ups and downs, but as we look at it for the future, we're going to have massive levels of gains in crypto, especially ones that we believe in, right? So definitely check it out. Link will be down there at the top of the description. Now, again, I think where we stand in the crypto market is kind of interesting because no one thought that we would actually be here. We thought we would be at a way higher level before seeing a type of decrease that we're seeing now. But we didn't see an altcoin season. We saw Bitcoin run, and altcoins just didn't make that move. Altcoins didn't take over. So now we're kind of waiting for that altcoin season to happen again. Are we looking at another bear market to then create the bull market within the next cycle, or are the cycles dead, in your opinion and what you've seen? Now, I can't answer that question, whether the cycle is dead and you see a brand new cycle or something like that. It's not really following the Bitcoin cycle anymore, but you can be the judge. So, cryptocurrency as a whole. If we look at where crypto is, it's at a $2.14 trillion market cap, which isn't at the absolute lows that we've seen before, at an $800 billion market cap or sub $1 trillion market cap. Bitcoin sitting at a $15,000, $16,000, $17,000 mark. It's still at a $60,000 mark, which is basically close to previous all-time highs, not what Bitcoin's recent all-time high was, which was $120,000, $130,000. But many other things in the market, like Ethereum, is getting closer and closer to the lows than it is to the high points. XRP, not necessarily at the lows, but definitely low compared to where it was at the high point. Solana, same thing, $65 versus a $200 price point. Yeah, Cardano over $1, over $2, over $3 for high points. Litecoin, SUI, Avalanche, many others that are out there that are at lows. And this is why I say that you have an opportunity right now. This is your last chance to actually see this generational wealth, because once things do explode, you're going to see a lot more stability to the market and calmness to the market. And you're not seeing that now. 5 and 6% may seem like it's like average for the markets, but it's not, right? It's going to be 1 to 2%, maybe even less than that we see for the top cryptocurrencies that are there. So what I want to do is go through some positions that I believe you want to keep an eye on, invest into, believe in, whatever. But again, this is all my opinion based on things that I do have as well. First thing that I wanted to point out was XRP. Obviously, I've talked about that for years. XRP at a dollar price point, $1.05. Even to the recent all-time highs of $3.65, that's a massive gain. It is at a $65 billion market cap. We will see this at a $600 billion market cap, if not trillions of dollars in the future. So seeing it where it is now is chump change as an investment compared to what it will be worth and what you will be able to gain from it. So all the things like cross-border payments, looking at bank partnerships and business partnerships and being able to use as a form of payment overall, understanding the parent company Ripple and everything that they are doing. That is my number one play that I look at for sure. I'm not looking at Bitcoin at all. So just know Bitcoin is not on this list at all. But XRP is at the top of that list. The next position is Kronos. Crypto.com is doing everything to involve Kronos in everything, right? Everything that they have, the staking that you get with it, the credit cards that they have, NFTs, the Kronos chain, different transactions that are happening, meme coins that are happening over there, activity on Kronos chain, all of that stuff is going to be huge for Kronos. And it only sits at a $2.5 billion market cap, while this should be worth well over the 50 cent to $1, if not further than that mark. I know that they are adding more supply into circulation, giving yourself 46 billion, meaning that a $46 billion market cap would be $1, but I don't see any reason to why it can't get to that level, if not double that level. The third play that I have on my list is, if it would load, and it doesn't seem like it's loading because something is freezing, it's Cosmos. Atom, with its staking right now, I think it's a no-brainer to have that in your portfolio and to see the growth as you move forward. The only thing that does, worry people is the max supply being unlimited and seeing 515 million coins in total supply versus the what you've seen in the past, which I believe was 200 million. So the dilution that can happen with it does suck, and that's why you have a high percentage that you can get with that yield. But I still think Atom has a lot of success moving forward, going to be worth multiple billions of dollars for sure. And we're not only going to see $1 or $2 or $3, we're going to see it so much further, even pushing past the $40 price point that it was before, with everything that Cosmos is involved into, the things that I am invested into, and then you see Cosmos that's also involved in that. So staking wise, gather as much Cosmos as you can because it's going to be worth a lot, but I also want to be able to gain more and compound that. The fourth play that I have on my list is Cardano. This is at a steal of a price point. Cardano has 36 billion coins in circulating supply, 45 in max supply, and I think it should be worth hundreds of billions of dollars. There's many people that believe it should be worth even a lot more than that, but I'm saying 100 to 200 billion dollars is great, meaning that this is going to be worth multiple dollars over where we are today. It's currently at 14 cents. In the last year, it's down by 75%, 76%. $539 million worth of volume and $5.12 billion market cap. It will be worth a lot more than people think as we move further in the future. So definitely keep a lookout for that. And the last position that I wanted to talk about is SUI. This has come across my desk a little bit later because as you saw with the pickup and how far this has run, this is now starting to come back to territories to where I can buy more and more, thousands of SUI. And there's people that sit on the opposite side and don't believe in it and don't see the push, but it's sitting at a $2.68 billion market cap with 4 billion coins in circulating supply, 10 billion in total supply. I think it has a lot of room for growth and a huge future. So I want to know what you guys think about this. I just wanted to put 5 in front of you in where I stand because I have all of these positions. I have XRP, I have Kronos, I have Cosmos, I have Cardano, and SUI. Some more than others, but I still have thousands of dollars in each of them, if not more than that, right? So I'm excited for what it can be. I'm excited for where things can go. But I'm going to tell you this. I believe the crypto market is creating a new cycle, creating something brand new to see this run and be usable, have a massive use case overall. And people are going to be surprised as to how far crypto runs and what they missed out on. This is your last chance to create generational wealth. You still will be able to gain something as you see it grow in the future, but depending on when you get in is whether you have generational wealth or whether you have decent gains. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. I'm going to get out of here and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.